What does biotech mean? Biotech is short for biotechnology. Biotechnology means using living organisms, cells, or biological systems to create useful products and technologies. In simple words, biotech means using biology and technology together to solve problems or make useful products. Biotech is used in many fields such as medicine, agriculture, and food production. For example, biotech companies develop medicines and vaccines. This means they use biological science to create medical treatments. Biotechnology is also used to improve crops and produce better food. For example, scientists use biotech to develop disease-resistant plants. Here are more example sentences. Biotech research helps create new medical treatments. Many startups are working in the biotech industry. Biotechnology is important for modern healthcare and agriculture. In simple terms, biotech means using living organisms and technology to create useful products. Easy way to remember, biotech means biology plus technology.